life, and she made me feel good. If I had a million kisses to spare, I'd give them all to my baby bear. Her name is Baby, Baby Bear. I love her too much to say. Every sunny morning is Valentine's Day. If I had a sea of sparkles to spare, I'd give them all to my baby bear. Her name is Baby, Baby Bear. She is a creature I found. Her wild bear eyes are wide, cute, and round. If I had endless days to spare, I'd spend them all with my baby bear. Baby bear! Baby bear! Wow! Baby bear! Baby bear! Her name is Baby, Baby Bear, and after she's fed, I'll find a cozy place to lay down her head. If I had a bed made of unicorns,